Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in online classes of science of LFS Madhupura Basti. I am K. N. Mishra, your science teacher. Students, today I am going to introduce first chapter of your book, that is crop production. Crop production. This is chapter number 1 in Zoom Science book, which is your book in class 7th. This chapter is in science second because this chapter is of biology. As you know, science is divided into three parts. Physics, which is related to various types of materials present in your surrounding, and second is chemistry, in which we will study about various types of acids, pickles, jams, and bases like detergents, sodium hydroxide, all these things. And third type of science, third branch of science deals with biology. Biology is the study of all living things present in your surrounding, like various types of plants, like various types of animals, various types of insects. All these things are in biology. Now come to crop. What is crop? Students, as you know, for our survival, growth, maintenance of body, we used to take lunch, we used to take food from outside. Because of this reason, we human beings are known as heterotrophs. Of course, green plants are autotrophs, which used to prepare their own food by themselves. They are known as autotrophs. They do photosynthesis. Green plants, with the help of their chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water, they used to prepare their own food by themselves. This process is known as photosynthesis. Photo means light, so photosynthesis process takes place only in presence of light. ठीक, we require food for our growth, development and survival on the earth. इन तीन चीज़ों के लिए हमको फूड इनटेक करने की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ती है. ठीक, एंड व्हाट थिंग्स वी यूज इन आवर फूड. अपने फूड में हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Various types of cereals we use in our food, like wheat, like maize, like pulses, like rice. All these are cereals. अनाज है ये, अनाज. तो various kinds of cereals we use in our food. In addition to cereals, we are also using various types of vegetables in our food. We use various types of fruits. We use various types of masale. You know, various types of all types of vegetables like chilies and like ginger and so on, onion. All these things we need to proper growth. We need for our proper growth maintenance. Clear? So, these cereals, these crops are very essential, like spices also. Masale means spices. Spices, stems, leaves, grains, cereals, all these things are very essential, and all these foods comes from various types of plants. So, students, these plants are of many types. These plants of many types, because we used to take food from various parts of plants. For example, in case of radish, we used to eat the root of the plant. So, for radish plant, root is edible. For carrot, root is edible. It's okay? Now, in case of wheat plant, we use cereals, we use grains of wheat plant. So grains are edible. In case of mango, fruit is edible, pulp of fruit is edible. So In some plants, leaves are edible, like coriander leaves, and like spinach leaf, salad leaves. So these plants leaves we use in our food. Our food should be of such type that it contains adequate amount of energy giving food, body building food and protected food. हमारे फूड का कॉम्बिनेशन ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स और फैट का जो कंपोजिशन है वो बैलेंस है. ऐसे ही डाइट को हम बैलेंस डाइट कहते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर बैलेंस डाइट वी शुड यूज सच टाइप ऑफ फूड विच कंटेन्स adequate quantity of carbohydrate, protein and fat. Now come to crop. जब किसी प्लांट को बहुत ज़्यादा हम ग्रो करें किसी एरिया में, किसी लैंड की पीस पर किसी पर्टिकुलर प्लांट को हम बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करें, बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो करें, तब उसको हम कहते हैं क्रॉप. क्रॉप, ठीक है. सो इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? इसको बोलेंगे व्हेन any plant grown in large quantity in a particular area, then it is known as crop. ठीक है. अब देखिए यहाँ the science and the process of sowing crop in field is called agriculture. As you know students, our country is agricultural country. In our country, various types of agricultural activities are going on, and we 80% of our country citizens are farmers. We depend on plants for our food, as I told you earlier. ठीक है. So knowledge about agriculture is very essential for ours. Now, the science and the process of sowing crops in field is called agriculture. It means the science which deals with the growing of plant in large quantity is known as agriculture. Here I have written a table in which types of crops grown in India is given. In our country, many types of crops are grown, like cereals. Cereals means अभी हमने आपको बताया wheat, rice, maize, all these pulses, all these are cereals. Now second, pulses, all types of pulses जिनकी भी आप दालें खाते हैं, for example अरहर, for example pea, for example gram, मूंग, उड़द, all these things are pulses. Now vegetables. In our diet, in our food, vegetable plays very important role, because vegetables provide us vitamins and minerals. So vegetable is another type of crop grown in India. Now root crop. There are various crops, various plants which roots are edible. बहुत सारे प्लांट हैं जिनका रूट edible होता है. For example radish, for example carrot, for example turnip, for example root beet. Roots are edible of all these plants. So these crops are known as root crop. Root crop. Now fiber crop. आपने नेम सुना होगा बच्चों, कॉटन प्लांट का. Cotton plant and jute plant. If we grow cotton in bulk quantity in a particular area, meaning that if we do agriculture of cotton plant, then the product is called cotton. Product is called what? Cotton. And the agriculture is known as cotton agriculture. Now, cotton and jute, these are fiber crop. Come to oil crop. Oil crop, कोई ऑयल प्रोड्यूसिंग सीड का नेम आप जानते हैं? लाइक मस्टर्ड सीड, लाइक सनफ्लावर सीड, लाइक सोयाबीन सीड, इन सारे ग्राउंडनट सीड, इन सारे सीड्स से हमको ऑयल मिलता है. दीज ऑल सीड्स प्रोवाइड्स अस ऑयल, फैट. So all these crops are commonly known as oil crops. Now come to fruits. हम अपनी डाइट में फ्रूट्स भी यूज करते हैं और ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी यूज करते हैं. So mango, guava, orange, all these are fruits. Now come to tuber crop. There are various crops in India which are known as tuber crops. Which tuber part is edible? Like potato, sweet potato. इनके ट्यूबर्स एडिबल होते हैं. इनके ट्यूबर्स हम यूज करते हैं अपने फूड में. एंड लास्ट वन इज स्पाइसेस. Spices like coriander and all these things, these are known as spices. After this, in your book it is written that how we can prepare the soil before cultivation, before sowing. How we can prepare the soil. किसी भी सीड को सॉइल में डालने से पहले उस सॉइल को खूब अच्छी तरह प्रिपेयर किया जाता है. तो इसके बहुत सारे स्टेप्स हैं स्टूडेंट्स. देयर आर वेरियस स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व्ड इन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल. हम उनको आपकी बुक के अकॉर्डिंग हम उनको देखते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले हम आपको बता दें कि ये टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन इंडिया, यहाँ पे जो हमने आपको बताया है इसका एक डायग्राम आपको बना हुआ है. टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन इंडिया. दीज आर वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन आवर कंट्री. ठीक है, ये वही है जो हमने टेबल में लिखा हुआ है. क्लियर? नाउ what are various steps involved in preparation of soil, or what are various steps involved in agriculture? Now we are going to study this thing. Number one is preparation of soil. Soil का preparation कैसे किया जाता है? सबसे पहले तो soil के preparation में first step is plowing, second step is sowing as written in your book. What is plow? And third step is transplantation, fourth step is weeding, next step is manure and fertilizer. Although all these steps are very essential for our study purpose, but about manure and fertilizer we will study in detail, because these are nutrients which should be given to plant for more production. ठीक है? So first of all, plowing. Plowing क्या है? Actually plowing is done by traditional method and modern method both. In traditional method there is a plow, P-L-O-U-G-H. एक प्लॉ होता है, आपने देखा होगा फार्मर्स लेके जाते हैं उसको फील्ड में, और उस प्लाई को बुलक्स से, वन पेयर ऑफ बुलक्स से उस प्लाउ को चलाते हैं सॉइल में आगे, और वो जो एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड है वो प्लाउ होकर चला जाता है. ये ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है. दिस इज ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ प्लाउइंग द फील्ड. देन व्हाट इज मॉडर्न मेथड? आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सीन द ट्रैक्टर विद कल्टीवेटर. सो दैट कल्टीवेटर कंटेन्स मोर देन डजन ऑफ प्लाउज. एक कल्टीवेटर में लगभग 1 डजन प्लाउ होते हैं. तो वो कल्टीवेटर ट्रैक्टर से खींचा जाता है, तो उससे प्लाउइंग करना बहुत इजी होता है इन कंपैरिजन टू मैनुअल, इन कंपैरिजन टू बुलक्स. सो एट प्रेजेंट प्लाउइंग इज डन बाय ट्रैक्टर्स एंड कल्टीवेटर्स. ठीक? एंड traditional method of plowing is done by bullocks with the help of plow. Plowing is very essential because while plowing the soil which is under, that is subsoil, not topsoil. जो soil के भीतर है, टॉप सॉइल के भीतर है, उसको हम ऊपर रख देते हैं. इससे क्या होता है? न्यूट्रिएंट्स which are hidden below the topsoil comes at the upper side. So, and second point, because of plowing, soil become porous, soil become airy. ठीक? So when soil become airy, then the plant which is grown inside this soil it takes very easily, it respires very easily in between, because in between these soil molecules oxygen is present. So since respiration is very essential for plants also, so this plant which is grown in well plowed soil would take air very easily. Because of this reason, plowing is very essential. Now, after plowing, sowing of seed. Students, about sowing of seed, we will study in next online classes. Today, we have studied about the importance of agriculture, about types of crops, and about the definition of agriculture. Your today's homework is revise types of crops found in India. Revise types of crops found in India. Crops in India. This is your homework. Read all these types of crops found in your country and the importance of these crops in your daily diet. Okay, students, thank you.
मैं सर मेरा ही बनवाती सर मैं